good? And welcome to another Sunday Reset vlog. On today's vlog, I'm going to be taking you guys with me when I do things to clean basically the house to prepare for a new week. I didn't cook on this specific Sunday because girl was just tired. So what I did was I unpacked my groceries, I did my laundry, hung it up, took out last night's overnight laundry, and a lot of other things in between. I did cook, but I was just too tired to vlog the cooking part. But generally on a Sunday, I try to make sure that the house is clean. That's my Sunday reset to prepare for a new week. The house is clean. Every cloth that is dirty in the house is washed. And if, for example, like in this vlog, we had groceries, I need to make sure that groceries are unpacked and packed properly wherever they're supposed to go. This just ensures that the week starts off smoothly, and it ensures that I'm more prepared and I'm more like ahead with my week. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. This is one of those vlogs where I'm not going to be talking throughout the vlog, so enjoy the vlog, and I hope you're going to be doing something to make sure that your week is easier this Sunday. Sweetie, you can sleep, buddy. So here's a pro tip. If you want to wash your fridge quick, switch it off, put boiling water in a big container, place it in your fridge. 15-20 minutes later, everything's out. Thank me later.